Can you put it on my head?
Can he put it on your head?
Can you put it on your head? Yeah. You're getting pretty good at that lately.
Woo! Is that water hot or cold?
Hot. Sorry.
It's okay. You gonna get it? You got it!
Got it, Mom. I'm gonna put it on your head.
You're gonna pour it on my head? No!